inside the studio at A Natural Design. This week we're showing you our blue and purple spectrum bouquet. We started with a handheld and then put it in a vase. You can see the limonium, the misty, the status, the iris blue, the white mondial 50 centimeter roses, and the dendrobium bombay orchids. We went for a field flower look, even though these are all professionally grown and normally available through wholesalers. Your local florist shop should also be able to source these for you in the exact same recipe. We'll have a link in the description for the recipe and the steps, but for now, all you need to know is that you start by holding some of the taller stems in the middle and building around it. So we started with the limonium, which is also called misty, and some of those Bombay orchids, and then built out from there with some iris and those mondial roses. Again, we put shorter stems on the outside and finished it off with that misty, the short little bottom stems that we pulled off the main stalk. Thank you so much. Have a great week.